All right, here's something for you. So I'm trying to, not trying, I am growing my, I've got a couple, I have a few YouTube channels. But since coming back from the summit, you know that I've been posting about my one that's Think Your Way to a Million. Okay. And meanwhile, um, I haven't, it's still the morning. Yes, I'm still in my pajamas. I will get dressed, but I'm unapologetically me. But anyway, so the point is of this is that I was like, oh, let me go check my other channel. Okay, so I have this one, and then I have that software which is vidIQ, and I'm like, whoa, check this out. So apparently, let's say yesterday, this channel hit 1,000 views. All right, so let me share that. And I have, it must be because I'm making just so much content. So, I'm actually gonna go get ready for the day, put my makeup on, because this just right here spun off another idea that would be better suited for a separate episode about how I look at YouTube channels as being very much like a websites, and I know a lot about that. So stay tuned. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go back here just out of absolute curiosity now, and let's go look at the channel stats. Okay, so there was an absolute jump. Looks like right there. This is fun. It's like a great big video game. All right, so let's go here. Let's go to my videos. Here's my go high level stuff, where to just go high level. Okay, and then YouTube, and I have my really silly video, um, which is really comical. You should always just put on a Halloween costume and run loose. Okay, so that one had like 500 and something views. But let's go to the advanced mode. Oh, maybe it was because, oh, well, we're on that video. Okay, so hold on. Let me go back. And let me go to analytics. Okay, and let's go to advanced mode. And let's see. Let's see about impressions. All right. And stop wasting time. Okay, so this one has had an uptick. Create a funnel framework. All right. So, yeah. All right. And then this channel, let's take a look at it, because it's not, this one's not that new. Oh, I don't know. I think I might have started it back there somewhere. Well, it's got the timeline right there anyway. So, all right, let's go here. And this particular one has the most traction, which that's my how to integrate Printful with high level. Right. And then let's see. All right, so these two. All right, so I'm going to leave you on a really funny note, and then I'm going to go do something because I have to leave. My family sometimes calls this my perch. So, ready? Well, there you go. Maybe I just scarred you for life. Have a great day.